why I'm doing this when I could easily get a quick nap in is beyond me. Hey guys, Airsoft Fatty again. I'm a little down. I lost a friend today, the other day. I don't mean we got into an argument. I mean, yeah. So today my mother's going to take me to the psychiatrist over in Marshall. Damn, it's been happening today. Sorry about that. I'm making this video because, mainly, a teacher has gained a lot of my respect. A teacher who may not be the most liked in my school. And a matter of fact, I've seen times where I think she actually does deserve the most hated teacher there at the times, you know. But, you know, you gotta see where she's coming from, just trying to get you to learn. You know. So this guy indirectly saying to my classmates, you know, don't be so tough on her. You know, she may be a little tough on you at times, but she just wants you to succeed. She wants to make it so you don't have to come back. Because trust me, as much as she loves her students, she don't want you back. She don't want you for another year. So Mrs. Ryan, you made the request yesterday that I go ahead and record a video for singing. I still don't know why I'm doing this, because again, I'm really down. I haven't really practiced much, so I'm not going to be as good as I usually would. But I figured, Miss Ryan, since you really do want the video, or at least requested it, I'll do a depressing song. You know, just something depressing that is depressing. And, you want to do a side-by-side comparison to the song I'm going to be doing. It's a video game theme, and the song is called the Lavender Town Theme. Now, that is from Pokemon Red and Blue. I'm not going to be doing the Fire Red Leaf Green Bowl where it's so happy at the end. No. Ichimon's mother dies. It's attacked by Team Rocket. The whole town's taken over by a gang. There's an orphanage for Pokemon who lost their parents. No, it is not a happy town. And the tower is a graveyard. No. So I figured, you know what? I'll do it for you, Miss Ryan, because you did request a song of some sort. Again, do a side-by-side if you'd like. I suggest it. So here comes my acapella version of the Lavender Town theme. Do 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 That's kind of my own little version. It's a quick version of it. Obviously, the song essentially just loops for a long time. Miss Ryan, I plan on being in class hopefully tomorrow. I'm going to be going to see this window. Gets a lot of light, in case you can't tell. nice little kitchen window. It looks like it's going to storm soon. Wow. This is on my tablet, so I try to give you the best quality, but that's just a cruddy little demonstration of essentially what I can do. You know, and Miss Ryan, I honestly don't care what you guys think. I enjoy singing, and if that ESFP test says that if that test essentially does the backwards and essentially I shouldn't be singing, whatever, I'm still gonna sing. I also enjoy acting. Who knows, maybe I'll upload a monologue one day. And, as I say in most of my videos, for the ladies, for the guys. Oh, and I almost forgot my goodbye song. That's something that brings me up a little bit. Goodbye song. And I like it. Messed up start. See that? It brings my spirits up a little bit, but I'm still going to get too frustrated in class. An alligator and a crocodile went to the lake one day. They had lots of fun and lots of laughs. But my, oh my, how the time had passed. Soon it was time to say goodbye. And how did they say goodbye, do you know? See you later, alligator. In a while, crocodile. Have no fear, wipe them tears. And I'll be back in a little while. On a tidbit of info, I keep my eyes shut when I sing to help envision my own little personal YouTube video of it. So, hey, peace. I'll see you guys hopefully in class tomorrow. Hopefully, if they're not going to keep me overnight. And, I'm going to request they try to keep me overnight to try really learning what's wrong, because there's a lot going on in my head. Let me let you guys go, because I got to finish up cooking some macaroni with corn in it. That's right.